internal Google documents fully reveal the upcoming Google Pixel 10 lineup camera hardware. According to information shared by Android Authority, the Pixel 10 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro XL will retain the exact same cameras as the predecessor, while Pixel 10 will get a complete overhaul. The Pixel 10 Fold Pro will get minor upgrade. Let's start with the interesting changes. The vanilla Pixel 10 gets a dedicated telephoto camera, although it is not known what the exact focal length. It will use a 11 megapixel Samsung J1 sensor, which is smaller than the 1:2.55 sensor used in the 2 Pros. The added telephoto unit may raise the production cost, so to compensate for that, Google is replacing the main and ultrawide camera with inferior sensors. The main Samsung GNV sensor from the Pixel 9 will be swapped out for the Samsung GN8 sensor. The ultrawide Sony 48 megapixel IMX858 sensor will be replaced by the 13 megapixel Sony IMX712 sensor. This sounds like a way to boost sales solely by playing the spec game. Slapping a tiny telephoto camera will not have better quality than digitally cropping 2x or even 3x from the larger primary sensor. In a way, Pixel 10 will basically be a Pixel 9a with a telephoto sensor. As for the Fold, you'll get a new main camera, moving from the 64 megapixel Sony IMX787 sensor to the 50 megapixel Samsung GN8 sensor. Weirdly enough, this could also be a downgrade as it's a slightly smaller sensor. It's too early to judge whether this will be a major downgrade because you're going to get a better ISP on the future Tensor G4 chipset, which will introduce some AI powered post processing to compensate for it.